Hi everyone, this is Vinny with ExcelDistanceCalculators.com, where we help businesses save time and simplify everyday tasks using Excel-based tools. And let me tell you about Michael. He manages business development for a commercial cleaning company in Phoenix, and every Monday morning he faces the same exhausting routine, building prospect lists for his sales team. Right now, his process looks like this. He searches Google Maps for restaurants, offices, and retail stores in their service area. Then he manually copies each business name, address, and phone number into his Excel sheet, one by one. What should take about 20 minutes often turns into 3 hours of copy and paste work. By the time he's done, he's already behind on making calls and following up with his leads. Last quarter alone, his company estimated that his manual process wasted more than 150 hours of valuable selling time. And Michael knew there had to be a better way to pull business information from Google Maps into Excel, quickly, accurately, and without losing his sanity. That's when he discovered our Google Business Extractor in Excel. Instead of doing everything by hand, he can now generate his entire list of businesses in seconds. The tool is incredibly easy to use. On the search tab, you simply choose the type of business you want, such as a restaurant, bar, hotel, retail store, or anything you're targeting. Then you enter a keyword to help refine the results. Next, you type in location, which can be a zip code, city name, or full address, or even a set of coordinates. And finally, you set your radius in meters to tell Excel how far around that location you want to search, what the radius. Once those fields are filled out, all you got to do is click search, and within seconds, our Google Extractor pulls business names, addresses, phone numbers, and other useful details automatically. Each search returns up to 60 results, and that's the limit Google provides for this kind of request. If you want to gather more than that, you simply adjust the location of a radius and run another search. For example, you might search Phoenix, Arizona, 85001, with a 10,000 meter radius, and then run a second search using a nearby zip code, street address, or neighborhood. By shifting the center point and varying the radius, you can quickly cover the entire service area. No coding, no external software, and no subscription fees. Just Excel doing all the heavy lifting. What used to take hours now takes less than a minute. For Michael, the difference was immediate. Monday mornings went from frustrating grind to a quick, simple setup. His team now starts the week with complete prospect lists ready to go. And he can finally focus on what really drives revenue, talking to prospects instead of copying data. Our Google Business Extractor is built for anyone who needs to find and organize business data fast. Sales teams, marketers, service providers, or anyone tired of manual Google searches. It's easy to use, runs entirely inside Excel, and comes with a 100% money-back guarantee. And the best part, you own it for life. No ongoing fees, no complicated setup. Just open, search, extract, and you are ready to work. We've helped over 7,000 happy customers across multiple industries simplify their workflows using tools like this. Many tell us they can't imagine going back to the old way of doing things. As of today, we're proud to have earned over 150 five-star reviews on Google, which means a lot because it shows how much businesses trust and love our Excel tools. If your team spends hours gathering leads manually, try the Google Business Extractor in Excel today. You can get it now. You can download it at ExcelDistanceCalculators.com. Single user license is $97 and a multi-user license is $187. Both one-time payments with no subscription or recurring costs. If you found this story helpful, please subscribe and tap the notification bell so you don't miss our next time saving Excel tool. And if you ever need a custom Excel solution built for your business, just reach out to me directly. I'd be happy to help. Till next time.